I mean, you're in business, why do you want to be on camera? Well, of course, you have to be on camera now. That's where we are. That's what the world is like. You need to know how to do it, though. That hasn't changed. The fact is that despite the fact that we've got this anything goes, anyone can do it stuff, I'm sure we've all seen stuff where, you know, someone does what they think is a brilliant talk and they're standing against the window and you can't see their face. I mean, very simple mistakes like that. In this workshop, I'm going to talk about the online business world we live in and how it can help you and why you need to be on video. And there isn't really much of a choice. If you've got your own business, you need to be on video now. It's becoming an absolute necessity. Also, how to do your best, give you some tips on that. And we will have a practical session where you're going to put up your phones and some of you will try and talk to the phone. If you haven't done it before, it is a lot harder than you think.